Hey y'all, it's Anya Havita. Welcome to my channel. Today I am back with another nail tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to safely remove your glue-on press-on nails. Before we get into that though, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and click the bell, set the notifications to always so you don't miss when I upload. The materials you need are a bowl, some alcohol, nail polish remover, a nail file, and paper towel. Lay out your paper towel to protect the surface that you're working on, and then in the bowl, go ahead and dump out some nail polish remover. You don't need a lot, just enough that will cover your nails when you dip your hand in the bowl. Make sure your nails are fully submerged in the polish remover. This just kind of disintegrates the glue and makes it easier to pull the nails off. I check every couple of seconds, just kind of wiggle, kind of push down and wiggle on the nail a bit, and eventually it'll pop off. Due to wear and tear while wearing the nails, certain nails will come off sooner than others, but it's okay, just leave your nails submerged for as long as you need. It usually takes me about 3 full minutes to get all of my nails off, but in the scheme of things, that's actually not very long at all. So I like this way because it's safe, it's easy, and it's not just ripping the nails off. I use a dry paper towel to soak up all the extra polish remover on the nails, and then I go in with my dual side nail file, and using the file side I go ahead and remove any leftover glue on the nail. I use alcohol on a paper towel to clean the file shavings off the nail, see where we are, and if need be I go back in with the nail file and continue to take off that extra glue. I then flip over my file to get to the buffer side and buff out my nails. Once I complete the buffing, I go ahead and wash my hands, and then voila! Your nails are healthy, clean, and press-on free. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to watch my other nail tutorials. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and click the notification bell. Set it to always so you don't miss when I upload. I'll see y'all next time. Mwah!